using latest as your Docker tag in production. That's a disaster waiting to happen. The latest tag tells you nothing about which code is actually running. If something breaks in production, you can't trace what changed. Docker may also silently cache stale layers, making you think you've deployed new code when you haven't. Rollback becomes complete guesswork. The fix starts with environment-specific tags. Instead of latest, push the same image with different tags for each environment. myapp:/dev, myapp:/staging, and myapp:/production. This immediately signals where an image belongs and prevents the wrong build from landing in production. You validate in staging first, then apply the production tag to that exact same image. No guessing. Environment tags alone aren't enough. You also need version traceability. Combine them. myapp:/staging-abc1234 using your git commit shay, or myapp:/production-v1. .2222 using semantic versioning. Now every image tells you both where it runs and exactly what code it contains. In a CI pipeline, build once, tag with the commit shay, run tests, then promote it by adding the environment tag. This promotion pattern is key. The same image artifact moves from staging to production just by retagging. Never rebuilding. Use environment plus version tags, avoid latest in production, and promote images rather than rebuild. Practice your answer at Interview Mentor. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.